Hello, just a quick unboxing and first look at this tripod, mini tripod, or professional tabletop as they call it here, from Ulanzi, however you want to pronounce it. This is kind of a rip-off of the small Manfrotto, like this one, but it's a fair bit cheaper, and I would like to check it out to see if it's a decent quality. Anyway, this is the front. This is the right side. Lightweight, precision ball head, ultra compact size. Sounds good. This is the back. You can see the back here. I've never heard about this brand before, but they have quite a few things, tripods and holders for phones. You can see you can get them in various colors. I think the tripod itself is always black, but you can get it with blue and red on some of the head. Yeah, bottom, nothing special there. This is the top, Ulanzi. Yes, let's open it from the bottom. Check it out. Oh, nice. It comes in a bag of some kind. Let's put the box over here. You can see nothing else is in there. Some kind of microfiber bag. Actually pretty nice for the small amount of money I paid for this. Let's take out the tripod. See here. You can see it got the red colors at top, and the rubber plate here is also red. If you get it in one of the other colors, it would just be yellow, blue or black, and these places here. But yeah, I like the red and black. It's okay. It reminds me of Manfrotto. Let's have a closer look here. You can see the logo here as well. Ulanzi. Actually, it feels pretty good. At least the first thought, it's pretty good quality plastic. Let's just turn it around here. You can see, of course, the ball head here. It's got this. Oh, it's kind of hard to press. But to release the ball head, you have to press it in and release it again, and then it's always really stable. I think this could take some weight to it. And of course, you can fold out the legs like this. So you have tripod. You can put it on a table or whatever you want to use it for. Put your tripod, or put your phone here, or in my case I want to use it for my mobile phone when I'm doing some filming. Even got some screws in the bottom here. Overall, I think it's a pretty good quality. You can even use it for some vlogging if you're into that kind of thing, or a selfie stick, but it doesn't really get that much further away. Let's just see it in a comparison to the Manfrotto. This is the big one, the Pixie Evo, where you can extend the legs, and it has two positions for the legs as well. So it's quite a bit bigger. But I believe this Ulanzi is much closer to the size of the original Manfrotto Pixie. Without the extending legs, it's somewhat similar size, I think. You can see here, compared to something like this, which is a pretty common, cheap tripod for phones and stuff like that from Hammer. You can even extend these legs as well, because not the most stable tripod. I got this in a kit once with some cleaning gear for my camera, so I just kept it for this time. And this one is something very cheap. It feels cheap. It costs next to nothing, but it also has some use for it. I use it sometimes for a microphone, and it's very flat and compact. But of course you can see size-wise when they are folded in. I plan to put this head here on top of this tripod, so it will be easier to take on and off my camera or my gear. Just, you know, untighten this and I'll take it off. I have kind of the same thing with my Manfrotto here. You can see I put it's not a head, but it's just a faceplate, so I can quickly, you know, attach my accessories to this. I think it's a great way of getting your gear on and off quickly without having to, you know, untighten this 100 times and then take it on and off. Next time on and again, it's just click on and click off. And this used the standard Manfrotto tripod head or faceplate. This one is, you know, the one you screw out. I don't know what they're called, but they're pretty standard as well. It should be able to take most of these kind of plates. You can see here, where you just put it on like this, and when they're tightened in some way, it still doesn't fall off the camera. I use this system as for my video setup, and I use this quick release plate for my camera, for photo gear. Anyways, this is just a quick unboxing and first look at this Ulanzi mini tripod. I think it's a great value. You can't really go wrong with this one. Really stable, this head. It feels like it won't go anywhere at all. That's good. And of course, it's very cheap and come in different colors, whatever you like. I will put the link down in the description for this. I bought it off eBay. So yeah, I can recommend this. It's a great addition to your gear. You can never get too many tripods, especially these mini ones. They just go in you can put it in your pocket and then just take along. And if you want to do some low light shots with slow shutter speed, it's a great way to just quickly stabilize your camera on the go. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you find this somewhat useful. Take care. Bye bye.